Hello everyone. On the 18th of June I went to my local Saturday car boot sale. It wasn't very inspiring. This is my purchases. I picked up this More and Right micrometer, 0 to 1 inch. Not bad condition, was a little bit rustier than it is now. Cleaned it up a bit. Works fine. And the click winder works just fine as well, so always good to find that in working order. That was £1. These were £1 as well. I quite like these. 90 degree but very long, thin nosed pliers. Clean them up a bit, and they are Kamasa tool. A couple of Magnum screwdrivers by Stanley. A Phillips and a flat blade. This small clamp was 50p. It's actually put to use as a spreader by that head arrangement rather than a clamp, but these ends are reversible. I've got this SDS 1/2 inch drive, which was inserted into a 14mm long socket. 50p. As 50p for this nylon case with assorted bits and pieces in it, some cheap small bits and 1 or 2 slightly better quality bigger bits, including a brittle, I think that's 3/8 drive. And a Laura 5/16 3/8 drive. Standard Tillman. This was reasonably interesting, a Robertson R1 R2 dual ended bit. Not seen one like that before, dual ended. Also came with a cheapo tape. This was also 50p, which is a hole saw. Take out the in individual pieces to make smaller or larger diameter holes. This was 50p as well. Selection of bits in a holder. Another 50p item, a triangular file. Cleaned up this end. It's JJ Savile & Co Limited. So as I say, quite a meagre haul that weekend, but you do have some weekends like that, I'm afraid. So to fill in, I thought I'd show you what I got off eBay recently, in the last few weeks. I got this pack, a selection of dental instruments for, well, I think I paid about £15, but they are high quality, proper dental instruments, not the type of Chinesium stuff that you can get off eBay. So Ash, England, most of them. Lustro model. So you've got a single-ended sharp pick. Some nasty looking extractor grips. And the rest I don't really know what they're for. There are a couple of nail scissors. Most of the rest of them were double-ended. I presume these are for squashing the filling material into teeth when you're doing fillings. But you know, I was happy to pay a reasonable price for the good quality Tarno brand, this one. another ash lustro, and these have got a wrapper around the ends. And this a flat pick. So that was my eBay purchase. I hope you found that interesting. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you. And there's one last item that I completely forgot to mention, and that is this little gouge, which is a Sorby, and quite nice. Got brass ferrule, wooden handle, reasonably sharp. Thanks very much. One that I missed off my last video was this rather smart 18-inch wooden ruler by Faber-Castell, which actually has a brass inlay down the edge of it. I think that's a quality piece.